The 2013 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 widebody by Galpin Auto Sports. Galpin Auto Sports is taking its designation as an authorized Shelby Mod Shop seriously with a pair of programs for the exclusive Shelby GT500. One of these programs was actually displayed as the Shelby show car at Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. It turns out that the program comes with plenty of modifications, highlighted by a wide-body kit and a power upgrade that turned the already powerful American muscle into a menacing ride. The first noticeable change made to the car was the installation of a wide-body kit that extends the muscle car's body by 9 inches and the use of an Aston Martin Morning Frost pearl white finish on the GT500's body. The color is then complemented by an interior that now sports a customized crimson-red raised grain leather interior that extends all the way to the trunk. If that isn't enough, Galpin also installed a 7-channel audio system that delivers an ear-popping output of 1000 watts and was specifically built for this vehicle by McIntosh. As far as performance goes, Galpin took care of that too, putting in a Ford Racing Shelby Supercharger that bumps the output from the muscle car's 5.8-liter V8 engine to 750 horsepower from 650 ponies. Completing the extensive upgrade for the Shelby GT500 are Shelby 6-piston front and rear brake calipers, a MagnaFlow quad exhaust, and last but not least, a Ford Racing Performance suspension system.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.